Hey everybody, you're watching the DiDio show, and today we're going to learn the rhythm section to Hold My Hand by Hootie and the Blowfish. So stick around, it's going to be great. Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in with me today. My name is DiDio, and you're watching the DiDio show, where we talk about God, life, music, and everything in between. But today we're going to be talking about music. We're also going to be talking about the rhythm section to Hold My Hand by Hootie and the Blowfish. It's a very easy song, and we're not just going to be talking about that. I wouldn't just leave you hanging there. We're also going to talk about another lead part in the song that I haven't seen anyone else out there doing. So we're going to have a great time, I know it. If you need to, pause, rewind, do whatever you can to make sure you get this down. It is a very useful song, and it's only got 3 chords in it, so come on, it's not too hard. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this rhythm section starts off on one of my favorite chords, the B2 chord. It's kind of like a B minor chord, and shape-wise, it doesn't sound like it, because a B minor chord sounds like this. But the B2 chord takes away the middle finger here. So it sounds really pretty. It's a great way to start off a rhythm section. So you want to give that 2 good strong strums, and then mute the strings with this side of your hand. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but you mute the strings with that. Or however else you want to mute the strings. That, to me, that sounds the best. And then right after that, you go to the E major chord. And while you're on the E major chord, you might want to hit the E bass string. Like that. So that's it for the verses all throughout the entire song. And the next part is, I'm not exactly sure if it's a bridge or a pre-chorus. It's before the chorus, so let's just call it a pre-chorus for now. So the pre-chorus starts out on the F sharp major chord. You want to give, this is like a building up section, so you want to give it, you want to make it strong and hard, make sure it punches through. After the F major, it goes to the E major chord, down to the B. F sharp major, excuse me, to the E major, to the B major. One more time, F sharp major, E major, to the B chord. Then right after that, it goes into the chorus, which is the exact same thing, but switched around. So it starts on the B major chord, to the E major, to the F sharp major. Again. One more time. And then in the chorus section, before he says, I want to love you the best that I can, kind of transitioning into the verse, after the F sharp major, he goes down to the E. Alright, so let's play the section right before he goes down to the E major chord. It starts on the B major, goes down to the E major, up to the F sharp major, and then down back to the E major chord. Alright, so let's do it. 1, 2, ready, go. Major, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back into the verse. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it for the rhythm section. Now let's move on to the next part. Alright, so it's very simple, very easy, and it starts on the 8th fret of the G string. Then it goes to the 7th fret on the B string. Then it goes to the 9th fret on the B string, so it sounds like this. more time. Alright, so after the first time you do that, it changes up a little bit. It does the same 2 first notes, but it ends on a different note. So it starts off on the 8th fret of the G string, the 7th fret of the B string, but then it goes down to the 9th fret on the D string. So the whole thing sounds like this. Alright, now I'm going to play it again, and feel free to play along with me. There you go. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, there are more videos on the way. So don't forget to keep in touch. I'll see you later. Bye.